Hey storytellers, and even the shy ones, what if you could create stunning, persuasive presentations without saying a word? Welcome to Day 4 of 30 Days, 30 AI Tools. Today I'm unleashing the power of Tome.app. If storytelling is your weakness, this tool flips the script. It turns it into your superpower. Whether it's pitch decks, school projects, or your next big idea, Tome takes what's in your head and crafts it into a beautiful, impactful story. Let me show you how it works. You just type in a simple prompt and Tome instantly generates a full presentation, slides, talking points, and even AI-generated images. There's voice support, so you can narrate your story, and tons of flexibility for tweaking the format. It's perfect for creators, marketers, founders, and students who want to look like pros, without needing design skills. Here's why Tome is a total game changer. Most people get stuck staring at a blank slide, right? Tome fixes that in seconds. Use it for client decks, YouTube scripts, investor pitches, anything. You'll impress your audience and save hours every single time. If storytelling is your weakness, drop a comment below. I got you. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's tool. And try Tome at Tome.app. It's free to start, and honestly, it's fire.